Hello everyone, welcome all. Before starting the video, I just want to thank everyone for the blessings and the wishes which you have sent for my speedy recovery. Thank you so much. It's so nice to see that so many people love you. So let's just start without wasting time. We'll be starting with the ICSE semester 1 sample paper which has been uploaded by ICSE. I'll take you through the sample paper question number 1 till question number last, and we'll be discussing the answers also. Plus we'll also be I'll also be telling you कि किस क्वेश्चन में आपको किस तरह से फोकस करना है so that you get it right. Fine. उसके बाद for this semester 1 I'll be uploading the videos maybe after 1 day, 2 day, every alternate 1 and 2 day I'll be uploading the video which will have a small content of the chapter and the tentative important questions of that chapter. So you just stay tuned, tell it to your friends also, subscribe. If you have not subscribed, hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever the video is uploaded. So you are in touch and you don't miss any of the videos because अब हम chapter wise चलेंगे just like tuitions. Fine, consider it a few free tuition. So I'll be taking up from chapter 1 absorption till the last chapter, thoda explanation and then important questions. So let's just stop that and start with the video. So again, it's a sample paper. ICSE sample paper term 1 specimen question paper. So I'll be just taking you through it. First of all, the paper is 40 marks. There were a few children who were saying, ma'am 40 ka nahi 80 ka hai. It's 40 marks. Fine. All the questions are compulsory. They have not given you any internal choice. Generally जो आपका बोर्ड का पेपर होता है उसमें choice होती है, but here in semester 1 they are not giving you any choice. Now we start with questions. First starting with section 1. Section 1 is 15 marks, 5 marks each, 5 number के there are 3 questions. 1 mark each question. Name the following, choose the correct option. Pair of corresponding chromosomes, same shape, size, it's homologous chromosomes. Factors which does not affect the rate of transpiration, all the factors affect, but only oxygen is the one which has no role to play with the rate of transpiration or change in rate of transpiration. Movement of molecules of substances from higher concentration to lower when in direct contact, it's diffusion. Complex molecules forming DNA strand or histone proteins, that is nucleosomes. Solvent used to dissolve chlorophyll pigment when while the testing of the leaf is done, that is soda lime. So 5 mark question, 1 each. Very simple question. Name the following. It says name the following and you have to choose the correct option. So according to my experience, whatever the pattern of the sample paper is, वैसा ही same pattern will be followed for your paper final as well. Fine. So you consider that pehla question would be name the following by choosing the correct option. Second is fill up the blanks. Here also you have to choose the correct option. Meiosis, how many daughter cells? 4. Wooden doors swell up by the process of due to the process of imbibition. Semi permeable in plant cells. चाहे animal cell है चाहे plant cell है, it is always cell membrane, cell wall जो है that is freely permeable. Then is guttation. Guttation takes place through hydatodes present at the margins of the leaves. Then we have plants with variegated leaves, coleus, croton, money plant, all these are plants with variegated leaves. आपकी बुक में 2 examples are given, coleus and croton, so इसलिए उन्होंने उसी में से पूछा हुआ है. So very simple. Fill up the blanks. Option दिए हुए हैं, choose the correct option. Next is choose the correct answer from each of the 4. Now this is a simple MCQ. ये सीधा MCQ है. There is nothing fill up ये वो कुछ नहीं, ये सीधा MCQ है. Pressure exerted by cell content on cell wall, Turger pressure. Cell content visible only during cell division. कौन सा ऐसा cell component है only during cell division which is visible? That is centriole. Marine fish when placed in tap water it bursts due to the process of osmosis. अगर यहाँ osmosis भी दिया होता है, endoosmosis भी, तभी भी endoosmosis आना था because endo is the specific term. Site of dark and reactions of photosynthesis, stroma. ये देखो stoma और stroma दो चीज are mentioned. Fine. So very slight difference, just a difference of R. Fine. So please read carefully and then write. Okay. Stoma जो है स्टोमाटा के बीच में जो पोर होता है उसको स्टोमा बोलते हैं. Fine. Stroma is grana का जो matrix है. So sorry, chloroplast का matrix. So it is stroma. Alternative form of the same gene occupying the same position, that is allele. So these are questions, simple MCQs, 5 marks, 1 mark each from your paper. Then we have section 2, 15 marks again, 5 marks each. Now it is, the first question says, question number 4, explain the following. Now herein you will get a term and a definition or a statement which explains that term. वी स्टार्ट विद ऑस्मोसिस द फर्स्ट वन. अब अगर आप इसको ध्यान से ना, हाउ डू यू डू दीज क्वेश्चंस? बेटा कोई भी ऐसा नहीं करेगा कि जल्दी जल्दी में मार्क कर दिया. वाई? बिकॉज यू हैव टू रीड ईच स्टेटमेंट केयरफुली. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑस्मोसिस का डेफिनेशन वी नो दैट इट मूव्स फ्रॉम हायर टू लोअर, सो इट सेड मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर लोअर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. तो ये वाला स्टेटमेंट ऑटोमेटिकली रॉन्ग हो गया. Again, it is from their lower concentration, it is also wrong. But when you will read next to, it says higher concentration, again it says higher concentration. Now you have to read it thoroughly. So this one says freely permeable membrane, which is a wrong statement because osmosis takes place through a semi-permeable membrane. Same आगे भी पढ़ते हैं. Photolysis, splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen in the presence of light in grana. अब देखो दो चीजें हमें ध्यान रखनी है, presence of light और ग्राना के अंदर. Splitting of water molecules of hydrogen ion oxygen into the presence of light and stroma. Then splitting of water molecule into hydrogen ion and oxygen in the presence of light, absence of light, which is wrong. Here also it's absence, it is wrong. So you need to be very very specific and careful while you answer these type of questions. Again, law of segregation. Now read the statements carefully. If you have learned the laws, you can easily write the answer. Now here in these type of questions, I'll just give you a tip. Read every statement carefully. Second, there is just a difference of 1 or 2 words. So make sure कि आप बहुत अच्छे से उसको पढ़ो, तभी you will be able to understand कि कहाँ पे problem है, कौन सा वाला is right. Then is guttation, loss of water in the form of water droplets along the leaf margins. Fine. So यहाँ पे water vapor दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे थ्रू स्टोमेटा दिया है, यहाँ पे थ्रू लीफ सरफेस दिया है, विच इज ऑल रॉन्ग. फाइन. सो थ्रू लीफ मार्जिन, सो दैट्स करेक्ट. एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट. नाउ एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट यहाँ पे भी छोटा छोटा डिफरेंस है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, करेक्ट वन इज दैट द आयंस दे पास फ्रॉम लोअर टू हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन थ्रू अ मेम्ब्रेन बाय यूटिलाइजिंग एनर्जी. फाइन. अब यहाँ पे कहीं पे हाई टू लो दिया होगा, विच इज रॉन्ग. एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ एनर्जी, विच इज रॉन्ग. यूसेज ऑफ एनर्जी बट फ्रॉम लो टू हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. So you have to, again, I'm again saying passage of water. Now we are not talking about passage of water here, we are talking about passage of ion. So एक word आपको अच्छे से पढ़ना है इन statements का, then you will mark. Next आ जाते हैं, next question, question number 5, that is exact location of the following. Again 5 mark, 1 mark each. State the location of the following spindle fibers between 2 centrioles. Root hair, extension of epidermis. Stomata more on the lower of the dorsoventral leaves. Thylakoids in the stroma of a chloroplast. Palisade parenchyma between the upper epidermis and the spongy parenchyma of dicot leaves. Now herein, ये वाला जो palisade parenchyma, if you have seen the diagram of the leaves, so you will be able to answer this question. अगर आपने diagram learn किया हुआ है. Next is state the functions of the following. Here also the word is given and the function is given. You need to choose the correct one. यहाँ पे भी बहुत छोटा छोटा difference. But always remember, wherever there is a statement for choosing, there will be very छोटा छोटा difference, very very fine difference between each of the following. So you need to read all the statements carefully. Fine. Stroma, site of light dependent reaction for photosynthesis. Guard cells regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Here you can see यहाँ पे लिखा closing, कहीं में लिखा opening. So you need to understand that what is the correct statement and then you mark it. Xylem, conduction of water and minerals from roots to other parts, so that's easy. Chromosomes, they carry hereditary material. Hydatodes help in guttation. ये 2 बार आ गया, 3 बार आ गया I think, hydatodes. So see how, you know, repetitive, how easy. If you have learnt everything, you can easily do. Then we move to sections 3, which is 10 marks. बाकी सब sections were 15 marks. This is 10 mark. 5 mark each. Again 1 mark each. But these are diagrammatic. Sections 3 will be diagrammatic. Diagram is given and then questions are asked from it. So we start from the first one. Given below is the diagram. पहले ही आपको पता होना चाहिए. X आप पहले से mark करके रखो. They are talking about this structure. So this is centromere, we all of you. एक question जरूर होएगा इसमें से. Identify the phase. This is prophase. Then we have label part X. This is centromere. Name the stage that follows. Easy. Metaphase. अच्छा कई बच्चे पूछते हैं अर्ली लेट. अर्ली लेट अगर ऐसे MCQs में आएगा ना तो बेटा अर्ली लेट वाला पार्ट क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आएगा, तो आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. आपको अर्ली लेट देखना ही नहीं है. अगर MCQ में इट विल बी देयर, सो इट्स जस्ट प्रोफेज, इट्स जस्ट मेटाफेज. नेक्स्ट इज डिप्लॉयड नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. दे स्टेट डिप्लॉयड नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, सेट पूछ रहे हैं तो इट इज 2. अगर सिंगल हैप्लॉयड लिखा होता तो इट वुड हैव बीन 4. मेंशन वन इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ द स्टेट, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, इट डिसअपियर्स इन दिस stage. Then observe the diagram and answer the question. Again, there is another question, 5 marks. It's the 10 mark, 5 wala upar and 5 wala niche. So again, my suggestion for diagrammatic questions is, जैसे ही आपको diagrammatic question है, पहले से लिख लो कि A क्या है, B क्या है, C क्या है. A is stroma, B is grana, C is thylakoid. Write it down, क्योंकि वो question में होगा ही कहीं ना कहीं. So identify the cell organelle. First of all, very easy. This chloroplast. Now, C. The labeling part A, B, and C. What is it? So A is stroma, B is grana, 3 is thylakoid. Fine. So you get 3 marks here. Then we have unit of light absorbed by chlorophyll. That is photon. देखो proton भी लिखा है यहाँ to confuse. So it is photon. So it is 1 mark and then 1 mark, 3 marks here. So 5 marks total. So as you can clearly see, we have discussed all the questions. You can rewind the video and watch all the questions and write it down if you want. But yes, my suggestion is just start with your notes. If you are done with your notes, you will be able to do all the questions. Again, I am repeating section 1, 2 and 3, 1 15 marks, 2 15 marks and 3 10 marks, total 40 marks paper. Now, listen to one thing very carefully, beta. I hope you people have started making your notes. I hope you people are, you have your notes ready with all the pointers. If you do not have your notes, you can drop in a mail to me at biologyiseasynow@gmail.com. I'll provide you with notes at a very nominal. कुछ बच्चे पूछते हैं free है, इतना free नहीं है बेटा. So at a very nominal price. So that's up to you. बाजार में भी बहुत कुछ अवेलेबल है. You can have it from there. It is solely up to you. कोई आपको किसी का चीज़ का प्रेशर नहीं है. जैसे आपको what is your discretion, whatever is your discretion, you can do that. So, but when you make the notes, make sure आप एक पेज खोलें, उसके सारे pointers point wise लिखें. It's all objective. It's all MCQ. So you have to make point wise, no paragraphs please. ICSE is not about paragraphs. So make point wise notes from chapter 1 to last chapter. Fine. So we have discussed the sample paper. Now you very well know what is the paper pattern, what type of questions and how do you need to prepare. Now we pull up and we start learning. Fine. So we will meet again. I'll again upload a video for starting. I'll start with cell, the chapter cell division, and then we'll move to the last chapter of your semester 1, and then we'll start with semester 2. Okay, so keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Please share it as much as possible so that others can also benefit out of it and it will help us also grow. आप खुद ही देख रहे हो थोड़ा चैनल धीरे धीरे एकदम ग्रोथ धीरे हो गई बिल्कुल, तो उसको थोड़ा बढ़ाएंगे. ओके, चलो, बाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच.